Hi Daisy, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So here we are in your funnel here. Let's go right to what I noticed here. So I went through each page, just checking your page paths, which is here. I'll show you right here. So if you go to the page here, if you go to the cogwheel here, this is going to show you the page path. Okay, so you have portfolio here, portfolio here. This name is fine. That's not going to affect. That's just the title you see there. Here is the actual page path. So this is what dictates where the page goes. All right, here so you see that one there for your portfolio page here. Okay, and if you look here, make sure we're on the right page on your proposal page. You have the same thing. Okay, so I would update this here. I would change the portfolio. I'm not sure if you put some of these digits here, but our system will automatically assign digits to a page when it detects similar names, right? So the system will automatically generate some either alphanumeric digits like this, alphanumeric characters, right? So that the page is unique. Okay, so what I would do is go ahead and come in here, and you can just delete this and change this to something unique to the specific page, which is your proposal. I mean, you could easily just change this to proposal and maybe add a couple of characters or something like that just to make sure it's unique. All right, so I would do that and then hit update page. Now there's two places you're going to want to do that. Okay, so one, the cogwheel here. So just make sure you're on the right page, on the right funnel step there. Go to this cogwheel, just like I just showed you. And then the second one here is this cogwheel here. So this cogwheel here in publishing, the wrench, will take you to the exact same spot. All right, so you'll come here and you can update this just so it's a little bit different from the other cogwheel. You don't want them completely identical. That way they just need to be able to be slightly different just so that it gives the page itself a unique address, okay, or page path, okay? So I would just go ahead and do that, make those changes, and then hit update funnel step. And then after that, I would go ahead and log completely out of your ClickFunnels account, okay? And as you could see here, my window is blacked out. That's because I'm in an incognito window. So what you're going to want to do is log out of your ClickFunnels account. All right, and I would go ahead and go to more tools and clear your browsing data. All right, just to clear any data debris in the background. All right, so go ahead and go through that process. Sorry about that. Go ahead and go through that process there. All right, clear your browsing data, and once you're done there, go ahead and make sure you open a new window. And then hit new incognito window, okay? And then that's gonna look like this. This is basically, this should be where you go to test everything, okay? So this gives you a clean slate. Even though you're in a incognito window, it's always good practice to clear your browsing data, then open a window, and then from here, log back into your ClickFunnels account, all right? And then go ahead and go back to your funnel, and then go ahead and test that your new changes to make sure that they've updated, and then go ahead and open that page on a live preview to see if it actually opens. Now I'm going to click it here on this side, see if it actually opens here. So I click that. All right, so it does open here on this side. So, but I did click that link that you gave me in your message earlier, and I did get the same error. So just for good measure, I also don't have all the data from your funnel in my catch, okay? So it looks like the system is doing its job in making that page unique by adding those additional digits. So it could just be, I would go ahead and update this anyways, just so there's no confusion in your pages. If that's what you want to do, I would not have a duplicate here, and then also in your other step. It's just a little confusing for you at times. I would imagine when you're just trying to work, if you're going through your whole funnel and you go through and little details like this can create little issues like this. Okay, so I would just go ahead and update that and then hit update page. Okay. All right. I hope that all makes sense to you. All right. So if you need anything else from here, if you still have that issue, I would definitely just reach out again and I'll go over this again. Okay. So it looks like because it's working on my side, it looks like it's a catch issue. So I would definitely make sure you clear your browser. Okay. Clear your browser and just go through the steps like I suggested here. And I'm going to go ahead and put these steps in a text form for you as well. All right. All right. Thanks.